Okay, come back to ourselves. Whatever the situation, the business system, it good or bad, come back to ourselves. The relationship, he or she, like you or not, come back to ourselves. Whatever the situation, the time is too early or the time is too late. Frustrated, we can handle, we can make the time go faster, we can make the time go slower. The time is go like the way it is. So come back to ourselves. The situation is so boring. Come back to ourselves. The most difficult is the situation is so afraid. Practice to come back to ourselves. What they are doing, come back to ourselves. What they are talking, what they are saying, come back to ourselves. Whatever the situation, everything will go. The only thing stay with you is yourself forever. So come back to ourselves. Thank you for your coming. Thank you for today and now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Bye for now. Come back to ourselves.